Okay, so this is a video on how to legally get switchblades. That's technically right, but, well, they're not really switchblades because this part doesn't disconnect from the blade, so it's legal. And they're only legal in, they're legal in most of the states, but some of them, like Washington, and some other ones, they're illegal, but you just go like that, and it pops out. These things are called double action knives. You can get them online, like Amazon, places like that. You might be able to find them on eBay if you're lucky, but probably not going to. And then, just this one blade. I'm going to show another one, but this one isn't a switchblade. This one is just a normal manual opening knife, but Smith & Wesson. It's gold. It's nice. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys another one too. This one is hard to open, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to open this with just a nail, but it's this shotgun shell one. As you can see, it says 12 gauge on there. Focus. Okay, I might have to put the blade in. There. 12 gauge. Okay, well, that is all for today. Goodbye, and please subscribe and like, because, you know, I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I would like to be. Okay, goodbye.